start the process, set your shower to an extremely hot temperature and let it build up steam. Place a shower steamer on the floor of your shower. In order to create steam effect, you need to find a location where the hot water steam cannot directly hit the shower steamer, but is close enough so that splashes from the shower can hit it. The water will activate the fizzing reaction and release the fragrant essential oils into the air. This will create an amazing aromatherapy session that you can enjoy in the comfort of your shower. An alternate option is to place the shower Fizzy in an organza bag and hang it from the wall. To get the full experience of a set plugged in, simply put it close proximity to your nose.